We had a pretty simple vision when we started. We wanted to have the absolute best sauna in the industry and to provide bend-over-backward support. And that combination has driven us to really enhance the lives of our customers. I'm very proud of a big milestone that our World Group company is celebrating this year. And it's the 100th anniversary of the founding of the Tyleo company in Finland. It goes back to 1919. It was in the early days of electricity, and this company was founded originally to build heaters in church benches. Probably about 30 years later, they developed the first electrical sauna heaters. It started with Leo's father on many of the products, and then Leo Wikström himself. And this story of me getting involved in 1984 was when the Leo heater factory contacted us. I was actually working in my father's company at the time, and we got a call from a friend of a friend of a friend looking for someone of Finnish descent to sell the Finnleo sauna heaters, and decided to start it as a hobby. A couple years later, decided I loved it and wanted to try to make a living at it, and quit my real job and started selling saunas.
In the early days, we were buying as an importer, so we were buying from a Finland parent company. We were not owned by them, and then over the years, they bought ownership in our company. From that point on, it's allowed us to even grow better, to have more capital behind us, to have a bigger body behind us that we could really grow and be able to expand to meet the need. When we started decades ago, our goal was to become a major player in the industry. Not only did we in a short time become a big player in the industry, but we became a majority player in the industry.
We had great respect for a company in Seattle, Washington by the name of Amrec. They said they would be interested to talk about us acquiring them, and we did. And it's been a fantastic relationship. We are what we are today because we have a great team here. We have a phenomenal network of specialty retailers all around the country. We have great partners with our sister companies in Europe, and here we are today.
We have very, very strongly recognized brands in the world related to sauna. We are acting in more than 100 countries today. And on top of everything, we have fantastic people in our company who love sauna, and we can convey other people to love sauna as well.
Even though the concept of a sauna is 100 years old to 2,000 years old, it's been the last 3 to 5 years where you can see noticeable gains and tremendous awareness and this explosion of credibility to the category.
So most people who know what sauna is today acknowledge sauna originated in Finland, probably a couple of thousand years back. The earliest saunas in the U.S. came from Swedish-Finnish immigrants, and the first saunas were built in the Delaware River Valley in the 1600s. The electrical sauna heaters came into the U.S. in a fairly big way in the 60s.
So the engineers I started working with in Finland, they actually were working with wood burners, and then they were the first ones to work with electric heaters. So from my evolution standpoint, it's really changed from basic simple controls to more advanced controls to now everything's electronic and going into Wi-Fi and internet-based.
We want to be the most trusted and respected sauna and steam brand, providing wellness and health through innovation and design. We help people live better.
It has been a lot of fun finding more employees and building up the company and looking back over the last 100 years and seeing how it all began and where it is now. It's fun.
Our mission really when we are rolling out sauna worldwide is to make people live better. And our vision really is that we will be the most trusted and respected sauna brand worldwide, connected to wellness and well-being.
Sauna wellness is just booming globally. The studies that are coming out on how good it is for you makes this industry the best industry to be in. I can't think of a better place to work.
It truly will extend your life and improve the quality of your life dramatically.
If we continue our journey by educating the audience and creating the awareness of how easily you can cure yourself or prevent illnesses, we will have a very, very interesting journey in front of us. It will be a successful journey, because what do you prefer to do? You want to be sick, you want to take medication, or do you want to prevent that by having a pleasant full sauna?
It's actually quite an accomplishment in today's society, because today's society is everything is all about now, and you don't worry about what's coming down the road.
For us, being part of a 100-year-old company really helps us tell the story. We've been here for decades, we're going to be here for decades to come, and to provide a great product means something that's going to go together easily, that's going to function for a lifetime, really.
It started out with Keith Reisenen working in this very small heater distribution company to what it is today. It's a premier provider of saunas worldwide.
We're proud of our products, we're proud of our technology, we're really proud of our customer service, we're incredibly proud of the team here, and we're proud of the heritage of our parent company. 100 years, that's pretty profound. It's fun to celebrate it with our employees, with our dealers, and our end-use customers. We live the pure sauna life. We're passionate about it, and we do all we can to help people improve their lives with sauna.